Today, I just want to talk about stropping. Next and last step in sharpening a tool. Stropping is actually fairly important. Once you've sharpened your blade, you will usually wind up with either a wire along the edge of the blade or little bits of metal hanging off the edge of the blade. But you also might wind up with the odd little irregularity from your stone transferred into the edge of the blade. A simple little strop will take care of that and remove those. It provides exactly the same function as honing does in the basic sharpening video that I showed previously. Okay, so here we go. Basic strop is just a piece of leather glued onto a piece of wood coated with some kind of polishing compound. Putting the compound on is really easy. This is 6,000 grit green compound. You just rub it on. And it doesn't matter if it's leather or just wood. You can just rub it onto leather or wood. Stropping the tool is pretty easy. You've got your top side and your back side. On the back side, you just put it flat on, put some pressure on it, pull back. Then turn it over, line the front up, pull. Job done. So that looks pretty clean, but you can see that there are a couple little hairs of metal on the edge. You can usually just grab those off pretty easily, but you can always re-strop as well. You can actually use anything as a strop. A board, even if it's well and truly flat and smooth, your palm of your hand, the back of your hand. You can use anything as a strop because all you're doing is pulling off little debris and little marks on the end of the chisel. No big deal.